Today we're making two sauces, one quick and easy and one with a little bit more steps. Hi everyone, I'm Vincenzo van nNea in Amsterdam, and last week we made the two recipes for the perfect pizza dough, and this time we're going to focus on the sauces. Let's start with the easy one. All right, to start making the sauce, we're gonna go through the ingredients. We have beautiful plum tomatoes, pomodori, fresh garlic, some salt and some olive oil. So let's start to warm up the skillet in the big green egg to have it hot and ready for our sauce. There you go. Big green egg set at 220 degrees for 10 minutes. Then make sure to remove stem of the tomatoes. Okay, so after chopping the tomatoes, we're going through this beautiful fresh garlic. Fresh garlic has an amazing smell, and for this sauce I prefer it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a little bit the end of the garlic. I'm gonna use a little bit more than two just because they're very small. We have our olive oil, and at this point our skillet will be ready, nice and hot. Put some olive oil, grease up everything, throw our garlic and our beautiful tomatoes. We're gonna add some sea salt, and we're going to cook for 15 to 20 minutes at 220 degrees. So after 15 minutes, we're gonna check the sauce. Beautiful. Okay, and it's ready. So let's move on to the expert sauce now. We're now going to prepare the second sauce, and for this we're going to use the same ingredients. So beautiful plum tomatoes, salt, fresh garlic, and this time we're going to add a little bit of oregano, fresh oregano, and of course olive oil. We're going to put them directly on the grill because we want the roasting taste to be part of this sauce. We're going to place them directly on the grill. We want them to burn a little bit. We want the burn marks to be visible so that they will add character to our sauce. So after 3-4 minutes, we're going to check on the side of the tomatoes because probably they're nice and colorful and burned a little bit. That's what we want. We want that character. Yeah, there you go. And we're going to flip them so to make sure that we have an even cooking of the tomato. So as you can see, they're roasting properly on both sides, and that's what we want. Another couple of minutes on this side and we'll be ready to warm up our skillet. After a few minutes on the other side, we're going to open our green egg, and they're ready. So we are going to place them in a bowl because we want to now warm up the skillet in the big green egg. Right, after our tomatoes are roasted, I changed the cast iron with the stainless steel so that I can put the skillet in to warm it up. Let's see. And as usual, for 10 minutes, we let the skillet to warm up, and we're gonna finish the sauce in a bit. Now we're going to clean up some of the fresh garlic, which is really fresh. And we're going to just remove the leaves from the stem of this fresh oregano, which we're going to include in the sauce. You can already tell by the smell that this is going to be just a great sauce. We're going to add some salt on the roasted tomatoes now, so they're gonna sweat even more. So our skillet is hot and ready. We're going to pour some olive oil on it. We're going to go with our fresh garlic, the roasted tomatoes. Hear the noise? Yes. And a few oregano leaves just to give some aromas. And we're going to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on also how cooked we want the sauce. If we want it a little bit drier, we keep it a little bit longer. I suggest 15 minutes. All right, the sauce is ready, and this is the sauce that we made with the tomatoes that we grilled. So now you know how to make the perfect sauce for your pizza. And tune in next week for the best pizza topping secrets. Don't forget to check out the video description. See you soon.